In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on account numbers in QuickBooks Online. This is a quick process and we'll have it all done in about 5 minutes. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is click on the sign in button. This will let you access your QuickBooks Online account. Once you've done that, you'll want to select QuickBooks Online from the list of options. This ensures that you're connecting to the correct platform where our task will take place. Next, you'll need to type in your credentials. That's your username and password. Double check to ensure everything is entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you're sure everything is in order, click on Continue to proceed. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a Settings option. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account and Settings. This is where we'll make the necessary changes to enable account numbers. Once you've entered the Account and Settings area, look for the Advanced tab. Clicking on Advanced will bring you to a series of options that pertain to the more detailed settings of your QuickBooks account. Under this tab, you will spot Chart of Accounts. This is a key step in our process. Go ahead and click on it. The chart of accounts is instrumental for organizing your financial information correctly. Now comes the crux of our task. You'll see an option labeled Enable Account Numbers. This option is typically off by default. All you need to do is toggle this on to activate account numbers for your accounts in QuickBooks. This feature helps better organize and manage your accounts by allowing the addition of specific numbers to each account listed in your chart. It's handy for maintaining clear, structured financial records. After enabling account numbers, don't forget to save the changes you've just made. At the bottom of the page, you'll find a Save button. Click on it to ensure all your changes are stored securely. And that, my friends, is all there is to it. You have successfully turned on account numbers in QuickBooks Online. This simple yet important tweak ensures that your financial data is well organized and easily accessible. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and that it enhances the way you manage your business with QuickBooks. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check back for more quick tips and tricks to optimize your accounting processes. Have a great day.